Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to use my water tracker. I know everybody wants to drink more water, so this is a great way to remember if you've made your goals. I've got the goal here, so this is drinking 80 ounces of water daily. If you want to do something different, you can just write, type in the box, you can put in, 60 ounces or whatever. And then this will calculate automatically your yeses and nos and the percentage of how much you drank your water that month um, will automatically calculate for you. So what you do is you choose a date. So we'll start February 1st. It'll change all your dates for you. And you can start fresh, uncheck all your boxes, or just drag all the way to the right and it'll make everything start from zero. And then there you go. Once you start doing, meeting your goals, this will start to grow for you. And then you can see the percentage is growing. So 42, 45, 48%. And then I've also included just to fill in some space, I included weekly goals so you can put whatever you want in there and then check it off when you're done. And then I've got a place for monthly goals as well. So it's just an extra freebie for you. And if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click in the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Otherwise, thanks guys. And lastly, I've got this as part of a larger health tracker spreadsheet that has a ton of items. We've got, blood pressure, blood sugar, gratitude journal, sleep tracker, self-care checklist, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, if you need anything, feel free to reach out, but have a great day.